Hi guys, welcome to Sleeve of the Month, and for the month of August, we are going to talk about our Diamondback and Diamondback Pro. Mike May, thank you for joining me this month.
Absolutely, thank you, Tara.
So Mike, let's talk about this sleeve and why it's different than our other sleeves.
So this is a woven tubular sleeve versus all of our other sleeves are sidewinder sleeves and then captured or fastened with hook and loop. So the tubular sleeve is actually installed onto the hose prior to the hose being assembled onto the piece of equipment. So at the hose assembler place where they want to install or manufacture the hose and the fittings, they want to put on the sleeve and have a finished good that would go to the OEM, all put together at one time.
Very nice. And what makes this tubular sleeve different than, let's say, the competitors?
So again, we have polyester versus everybody else has nylon. But we rate this sleeve for line of sight and burst protection.
Okay, and what does line of sight mean?
So line of sight is a European standard, and that means that if the individual or person operator is within a specific distance, a specific pressure, and a specific temperature, the hydraulic fluid is, the hose has to have some sort of protection on it to protect the operator itself.
So it's really all about operator safety as well as equipment protection.
That is correct.
Awesome. Now, what would you say the difference is between our regular Diamondback and our Diamondback Pro version?
So this is manufactured a little bit differently, and what it does, it is when we manufacture it, we can actually put the diamond shape into it.
Putting the diamond in Diamondback.
There you go.
How much quicker does this sleeve install compared to the competition?
I tell you what, Tara, let's go ahead and I'll show you.
Deal. Let's head outside. Here we are out at the shop. We have our Diamondback Pro sleeve and
A standard tubular sleeve.
a standard tubular sleeve. So let's see the difference in the installation time. Mike, take it away.
All right, sounds good. Let me take the standard tubular sleeve first. I have a 15-foot hose. Both sleeves are the same size, and we're gonna give it a shot. All right, so I'm gonna roll out the sleeve, standard sleeve. I would actually have to trim this one off a little bit, but that's how long it took me to install the whole sleeve. We're good. So now I'll do an install of the Diamondback Pro. There we go, finished.
Wow, Mike, that really was fast.
Sure was, Tara.
Thanks for showing me. Let's head back to the studio. Wow, that was really quick. Thank you for showing me that, Mike.
It was super quick, thank you.
What would you say some applications would be for either one of these sleeves?
So the applications are abundant. Pretty much any type of hydraulic hose that's out there, they're going to want to have some sort of protection on it. So you can use this for agriculture, construction, concrete, any mobile piece of equipment.
The applications are endless. What is the smallest and what is the largest size that these rolls come in?
So 17 millimeter is the smallest, and 146 millimeter would be the biggest.
This is a very big sleeve, I will say.
Yes, it is.
Thank you for tuning in for this month's Sleeve of the Month. If you would like to conduct your own installation challenge, you can reach out to us at pythoncovers.com, request a sample sleeve, and do your own at-home installation challenge. We'll see you next time.